Hi kids, I'm back. So I have some good news. This week is your last week of assignments. So when you get your packet this week, they're actually going to give you 2 weeks worth, but you only have to do assignments this week. Next week, you just get to relax and catch up on any assignments that you need to. So, and also the good news is this week, you only have 2 assignments. So the first assignment is going to be reading and writing put together. And if you have your packet, it's going to be on page 6. And it's right here. It says, Books I Love. So your assignment this week for reading and writing is to think about all the favorite books that you have enjoyed the most this year. What are the titles of those books? And also, I want you guys to tell me why you really like those books. So you're going to tell me 3 of your favorite books this year. It can be books from school, it can be books from home, but 3 books. What were the titles and why were they your favorite books? I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite books, and I'm going to tell you why they're my favorite, okay? So let me show you. So I just have some notebook paper here. Remember, first things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name, Miss Henderson. And then today's date for Miss Henderson is actually, I'm kind of run out of room to write down here. It's May 17th, 2020. Okay. And I'm going to count out my words, remember, when I'm writing. So I have 2 of the actual books that I chose with me. So I have Little Rabbit Foo Foo. I have the Froggy's books. Now there's a whole bunch of Froggy books. I just love Froggy. And the other book I chose, I don't have it with me, is the Black Lagoon series. Do you remember those? It was like the gym teacher from the Black Lagoon, the librarian from the Black Lagoon, and they're all kind of spooky, right? That's why I kind of like those. So those are my 3 books. I'm going to tell you the titles and then why I enjoyed them so much. So let me first do Little Rabbit Foo Foo. So I enjoyed Little Rabbit Foo Foo because I like the hand motions to it. I like doing like the different motions with it. It just makes it seem more realistic and more engaging. So I'm going to say I like Little Rabbit Foo Foo because of the hand fingers motion. So that was 11 words. That's going to be a long sentence. Let's see. 1, finger space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my goodness, I probably have to use another page for this assignment. Alright, so I like Little Rabbit Foo Foo because of the hand motions, especially when you bops them on the head. So I, make sure it's uppercase because that is the first word in our sentence, and we always uppercase the word I. Like, that's one of our words. L, I, k, has that silent E, like. And for the title, I can just copy it down. So that's going to make sure you spell everything right. So just copy the title. Little Rabbit. And I'm just copying it. And notice that the first letters in each of those words are capitalized. That's because it's a title. When you have a title of a book, you're going to be capitalizing the first letters. Little Rabbit Foo Foo. Okay. Because that's a long word. I'm going to use my rubber band. B-E-K-Z. I'm going to write down everything I heard. I heard B-E-K. C or K. C-U. S. Because of, that's one of our words. The, it's one of our words. Remember that TH, the th. That's T-H-E, hand. So I can use my rubber band. A-N-D. I heard 4 sounds. I heard H, A, A, N, D. Motion. So, oh my goodness, here we go. M, O, Sh, N. Okay, let's sound it out. I heard an M. O. Sh. Sh. We've talked about that one a couple times. The sh. That's the SH. We could put motions. Let me make sure it sounds right. I like Little Rabbit Foo-Foo because of the hand motions. Awesome. So I can go on to my next book. I'm going to actually talk about the Black Lagoon because I really like that one. So I like the Black Lagoon books because they were a little scary. Oh, there's 12 words that time. 1, 2, don't forget your finger spaces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to have to go to another page. 11, 12, period. Did a lot of writing this time. So I already did that up here, so I can copy it again. I like the, and I'm going to make sure Black Lagoon has the uppercase for the first letters as it's the title of the books. Black, B, L, A, K, C or K, Lagoon, L, L, A, G, G, U, N, and books, B, O, K. Because, and I already sounded it out up here, because, I can just copy it again. Because they, that TH, A, were, that's one of our words, W-E-R-E, A, that's easy, just A, got to turn the page. Little, that's one of our words too, L, T, scary, K, C or K, A, E, a little scary. So I have to still write about one more book. So you need to tell me 3 of your favorite books and why. And then you can draw a picture of the cover up here. So I could draw, I have 3 books. And if you need more room to draw, you can get another sheet of paper if you need to. Because I know some of these covers have a lot of details. So I need to do Little Rabbit Foo-Foo. And he has those big bunny ears. Oh, I should have done this in pencil in case I make a mistake. He has those big bunny teeth. Okay, so I'm not done with this. I'm going to keep going. So your assignment for reading and writing, remember we're going to put them together, is to tell me 3 of your favorite books, the titles of them, and why. And then draw me a picture of those books. I love you guys very much. I'm going to make one more video for you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.